Hello friends, welcome to Thursday's video. It has been a year, over a year, well over a year I think, since I cracked out these molds from Let's Resin. I will link the video, in the iCard. But, so this is it's a light bulb that really turned out like shit, this one did. Anyway. And you can just, it comes with, it comes with all the things that you need to do this. I'll put that back on there. And, so yeah, so here's the little kit. I showed it in that video, but I'll show it here again. It comes with 2 different light bulb molds. And so it comes with those. So you've got your traditional light bulb style and then this, I guess Edison style, I would say. The oblong one. And then it comes with all of these. Where are the lights for it? I could have swore it came with more light sets than just the one. That's weird. It definitely came with more than just this one. I don't know what I did with them. Oh well, so I guess I'll just reuse this one then, since I can't find the other ones. But, yeah, so it comes with everything you need. I'm just an idiot and happen to have misplaced this thing. This little battery LED pack. Let me look at this. Maybe this will confirm my suspicions. Yeah, it came with 4 of them. So, I don't know what I did with the other ones. I'll have to have a good search of my mess that's surrounding me. But, so, I've already done the Edison style. I think I want to try the regular style today. I'm just kind of curious how the hell that thing is going to... I guess it does stretch enough. I mean, I've seen people unmold these, so hopefully we won't have any issues with that today. And I kind of want to do Petri dish. I want to see if I can do Petri dish. I'm warming up my resin now, but I'm not planning to warm it up that much. I don't want this to set and go off immediately after placing the resin in there. You know what I mean? So I may even... No, I don't want to do it in layers. I was thinking about doing it in layers, but I actually really don't want to because then the Petri dish won't really work as well as I'm hoping it will. So, we're going to try it in one pour. We may get some big bubbles. It actually feels nice and cool down here for now, but I might also, I don't know, maybe bring like some cold water or something to set this in while it's setting so it doesn't pop off super quick. I don't know. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. Anyway, that's the plan today. Super simple and easy. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. This intro did not need to be almost 4 minutes long, but there it is. So, all right, let's do it. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. So I think I mixed up 400 milliliters. And then I had quite a bit left. So I did one of these little heart trinket dishes again. They're just so easy, you know. I gotta say, this hyper orange is beautiful. It's very pretty. Okay. And then I was wondering if you could do Petri dish style pours in resin with glitter. So this is probably going to be a disaster, but we're going to check it out and see. Okay. So it does kind of work. It just doesn't go very far at all. The glitter does, looks like it does kind of block it and lock it in there. But this is very pretty. I actually really like the look of this with the glitter up top. Because it's so, you know, suspended all throughout. Yeah. So anyway, those are your bonus unmoldings. Alright friends, are we ready? I'm ready. I'm very, very tired this morning. Like, so tired that I filled up my gas tank while my car was still running and didn't even notice. My bad. So, hopefully we can get this out. I know, you guys are yelling at me. Get warm water with soap. I don't want to. I'm too lazy to do that. My hands are all sweaty now. Alright, let me get it most of the way and then I'll turn the camera back on. Alright. Got it. Let me flip this back in. Okay. And there we go. So, I know in the beginning I said that I was going to do Petri dish, but then I realized, if you look at my bonus unmolding, no light is going to go through that. You know? So, I was like, yeah, it's a really stupid idea, Megan. Maybe don't do that. But anyway, so here's how it looks. I think the glitter looks great. It's pretty well suspended in there. There is a little bit of piling at the top, but you know, I honestly expect that. But let's put the little light on it and see how it looks. Let's turn these lights off too. Let me grab my remote. Okay. Oh, it's very pretty. Oh, I love it. What do you guys think? Like I said, it's been forever since I played with these molds. This was a real big pain in the ass. FYI, if you end up getting these molds, put your fingers in here and then like push up, I guess. That's how I had to do it. But dude, I'm actually really happy with the way that this turned out. This Resin glitter is gorgeous, by the way. This is their mixed fluorescent reddish orange high brightness glitter. So, so pretty. Alright, well that's it. That's today's video. I know it was like short and sweet, but sometimes you get that from me. Sometimes I just don't feel like doing things complicated like. Alright? Alright, so, yeah, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.